We're talking of not just simple resolution. This involves the second highest official in the land, and it involves quite a number of millions of pesos, hundreds of millions of pesos. So kailangan meticuloso yung approach natin. Hindi ho ito yung ordinary lang ng inquiry. No, ito ay isang mataas na pinuno ng ating bansa, very popular. So kailangan once we lay down the predicate and once we formulate our own questions, yung tumbok na dapat malaman ng tao. And number two, like sa akin, sa case ko, I particularly was more interested in knowing how in the confidential funds were being spent. So sabi ko nga, confidential fund is not intrinsically evil. It is how you utilize that makes it, questionable. So pupunta ako doon sa ARs. So ayun talaga yung interest ko kung ano yung mga discrepancies in the ARs. As to the other congressmen, members ng committee, meron din silang sariling mga interest. So before kami pupunta doon at baka hindi ma-juggle up yung lahat ng information, nag-uusap-usap talaga kami kung what are the parameters ng bawat issue para maganda ang pagkaintindi ng ating taong bayan. Dahil hindi ho ito ordinaryong tao ang pinag-uusapan natin dito at hindi ho ito ordinaryo at mababa lang yung amount ng pinag-uusapan natin. And number three, to your question, hindi po ito officially na stand ng komite with due respect to our chairman. These are individual observations of each of our committee members.